Hello friends, it's your favorite friend Isabella here, and I am so excited because today I am going to open a smartphone gimbal. Yeah, gimbal. And here I'm going to show you the back here. It says some important things. Also, there is a charging cable, a storage pouch, a wrist strap, and a quick start guide. Wow. So it has an AI vision sensor. It's built-in LED video light. It has a moment mode, a gesture control, and an emergency power bank with 3-axis stabilization, quick roll switch. Okay, so now I am going to open it. Yay! Okay. Wait. Oh, I think I know what this one is. I think this one is So today I am going to show you how to use this cool gimbal. But right now, I am going to show you how to open it, use it, and how to set it up. So right here, you see that there's a sticker right here. And this sticker says that you have to fold the phone clamp when you're not using it. And you have to unfold the clamp if you're using it. Alright, this is a bit hard. So you're just gonna gently open it. And you see here we have the gimbal right here. But here, since it moves like a bunch, and here, step number 2 says screw up the knob, and I am going to lock it. To lock it, it goes that side and the other side is to unlock. It's not a bit focused right now, the camera. Okay, that's good. So here, step number 3. Phone camera on the left clamp, phone in the center. So we have to put our phone in here. So don't forget that you need adult supervision to put it on here, because it can grab your finger from right here, and I don't want you guys to get hurt, so don't forget to use parent supervision. High five, Mom. Okay, here you go. Ooh, the light just changed. Like my cute bunny earrings. Although. So, you need to use the app called Bluetooth. You need to use it so the gimbal can be controlled. And if you don't use the app, if you don't use Bluetooth, then the gimbal is gonna go crazy. Let me show you how it's gonna go. Yep, I'm gonna play. It's time to put it on. So here you're gonna press the button for 3 seconds, and this is supposed to appear for 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the phone is gonna be focused. And I almost forgot to show you how it turns on. And right now I am going to show you the magic. Alright. Out here. See? It just turns straight. And so I am using a really ugly and old phone. Why? It's because it's just for trying, and why it looks ugly. It's broken. Turn on the sensor AI by pressing the button that is on top of it. AI sensor has its own light. You can choose what level of intensity you will need to record your videos perfectly. Number 1. Okay gesture means follow me. Number 2. With 2 thumbs up means landscape mode. Turning your thumbs to the right is for TikTok mode. If you show your palm, the sensor will stop falling. It is so easy to set up. You just have to follow the directions that are in the gimbal. Have fun! Although the gimbal only works if you have the Bluetooth on your phone.